Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making Maddur Vada, that is very crunchy outside and soft inside, which you will love to make it again and again. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. To prepare Maddur Vada, these are the ingredients. This is 1 bowl of rice flour, half bowl of rava, that is semolina. This is 1/4 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, salt to taste and sugar to taste. This is 1 large onion, finely chopped, curry leaves, finely chopped, ginger grated. This is 1 inch of ginger grated. These are 4 large green chilies, finely chopped. You can add according to your taste. And this is coriander, finely chopped. Now first we will fry this, that is roast rice flour. We'll just mildly roast it, just a bit warm. It should just become warm. Just roasting this a little bit because due to weather sometimes it becomes very moist. So to get the crispy vadas, we'll just dry roast this. This just only for 2 minutes I have dry roasted. I will take out this in a bowl. Now in the same pan I am dry roasting this half cup of rava, that is suji. You can take even Chiroti rava or the Bombay rava. Just dry roast it for 2 minutes. Dry roasting will give it a crispiness and also the taste will get a good taste. Now I'll take it out in the same plate where I had taken out the rice flour. This is the same measurement, 1/4 cup of all-purpose, that is maida. Small pan, we will be heating 2 tablespoons of oil. This is 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it come to heat now. Once this becomes hot, we will add it. So let it become hot. Meanwhile, all the rava, rice flour and the all-purpose flour, we will mix it properly. Now I'm adding green chilies, ginger, curry leaves, coriander and the onions. This is hing. This is half teaspoon of hing I am adding. Salt to taste according to your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now we will mix this. Mix this properly because onions the rava and all, we should be able to hold it this way. have mixed everything. Now we will add the hot oil which we had made hot. So whole oil I am adding. Now mix everything properly. The hot oil will give a good crispiness to this. Now I am kneading all this properly. You can see the consistency. After mixing all the oil, now we will add water to this. We'll start adding water little by little. Don't add once only everything. We should be able to knead it, that's all. Go on mixing and kneading it properly. This should be a tight dough, like a puri dough. Now I have kneaded this. I have actually used only 50 ml of water for this. That is like half cup. So after mixing this, see, you can see the plate is not holding any ingredients. It should be in this consistency. I'll show you. Now we will leave it to rest for around 15 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, our dough is in this consistency. Now we will make small balls of this. Meanwhile, we will keep oil to fry. This is cooking oil. We will keep this on medium-low flame. We'll start making the balls. This much you can take a ball size, a lemon size ball you make. Now I have taken two plastics or aluminium foil also you can use. In this shape, we'll apply little oil to this. Take one ball of dough, keep it, press it, keep another paper on that. I have taken this weight so that it spreads evenly and it becomes faster also. Just press it. You have got this puri shaped. Now we will make it like this some and we'll start frying. Just tap it and take this whole thing and keep it in a plate. I have taken one more sheet. Take another ball. Press it. just press it on the edges again, and same sheet you take it in the plate and keep, so that you can directly take it from the paper and put it in the oil. The oil should be hot enough, and go on turning and see that the edges become brown. We will take out this now and leave it to dry. See, keeping in this paper and taking out will become very easy. So make such small plastic cuttings, quite a few, so that each time you can keep ready and go on adding it. So while frying, just see that you deep fry it. The more you fry, they'll be crispy. These vadas are crispy on the top and soft inside. So press it properly and fry it. Press it while frying, so the whatever excess oil is there, it will not hold it inside. Before taking out, once press it properly, so it will retain its crispiness. Fry it until it is golden brown. The edges should be golden. The oil should be hot enough. See, if it becomes this color, then you can keep it for more days. This is the texture what we want. See, our vadas are quite crispy on the top and soft inside. These are very tasty. You can keep this for 2 to 3 days. If you have fried them this color, then you can keep for up to 1 week also.